Now the first one is pit. This children, this pit is the first step in the formation of the coal. Okay, it contains very high proportion of water. So you must have heard people saying ये कोयला ना जल्दी जलता नहीं है, आधा वेस्ट हो जाता है. कोई बोलता नहीं हमारा वाला कोयला जल्दी से जलता है. Okay, nowadays we are using gas, so we don't come across such a conversation. But if you happen to visit villages and all, so this type of talks are there, and they have the rates of the coal also differently depending upon the amount of water. Huh? So first we'll talk about the pit. Now pit है ना, this is the starting stage. You know it, all the fossil fuels, how all these things are made. हाँ, क्या होता है, जो भी एनिमल या प्लांट हो उसके ऊपर मिट्टी के कैसे लेयर्स आते जाते हैं, एंड देन इन द आफ्टर थाउजेंड्स ऑफ years all these things take place. So this is the first stage type of coal जो काला बन गया, लेकिन उसमें पानी बहुत है still, because you know it ना 90% of our body is made up of water. हाँ, so अगर if a person dies and he is buried and all, then from that if the fossil fuel is formed, definitely it will have more amount of the water and less amount of carbon. So in this pit you have 60 percentage of carbon, and that is the reason children, see this is all, you can see, हाँ, झाड़ के पत्ते, झाड़ ये सब गिरता है, and then over that you will get the layer of soil. So slowly you will get the, and so again the next day the leaves will fall again, the you will, it will get covered with the soil. This is goes on done. So after some, say you can say 100 of years, then you will see down here in this part layer many more layers will be formed. So down you will get a coal which is nearly having the 60% of carbon but more amount of water. So this is what is pit. लेकिन क्या होगा, स्लोली स्लोली और भी लेयर आएंगे. ओके, ओके, इट्स अ फॉरेस्ट, सो यू विल गेट ऑल द लीव्स आर अगेन getting spread over the earth and then covered with the water. So this goes on, and you will get the next stage. Next stage is called as the lignite. So how we get, वो पीटी है, but what happens is more layers came ना, so क्या होगा, उसके ऊपर प्रेशर ज्यादा एक्सर, उसके ऊपर ज्यादा वजन आने लग गया. So pressure increase and temperature inside the earth also gets increased. So because of the increased temperature and the pressure, उसका water level कम हो जाता है and carbon layer ज्यादा हो जाता है. So in the lignite children, you are having 60 to 70 percentage of carbon. Okay, so this lignite is the second step of formation of coal. First step में you have 60%. Second step में you are having 60 to 70%. Clear? Next type of coal is bituminous coal. Bituminous coal is formed as a third step in the formation of coal. Again the pressure is increased, temperature is increased, so water level gas becomes less and less and carbon becomes more and more. So it contains 70 to 90% of carbon. Right? So it is much better. And now we'll move towards the last type, and that is anthracite. This anthracite is called as the pure form of coal. You can get in the fill in the blanks. This is known as the pure form of coal. So you should remember the word is anthracite. अब इसके अंदर कितना है? It contains around 95% of carbon. मतलब ऑलमोस्ट पानी जीरो. सो इमेजिन कितना अच्छा जलेगा ये. So we will repeat four times. Four types of the coal: peat, lignite, bituminous, and anthracite. So charcoal we have two ways: animal and plant. Animal से उसके bones and horns से. And from the plants, when the plants are burned in the insufficient, the wood of the plant is burned in the insufficient supply of air, then we get the charcoal. And now for the uses part, we have seen that it is used in the factories and at home also. We are using coal to obtain coke, coal gas, and coal tar. Now, a special homework for you is what is the use of coal gas and what is the use of coal tar. Okay, do the Google research and try to find out the uses of both the things. The things are in front of you, so hint is given. Can just show you what all things are there. Okay, especially coal tar, so you will understand. Okay. Now, next one, coal is used in the thermal power station. Thermal means related to heat. So, अगर heat से you wanted to create an electricity, so how will you use heat? Which heat you are going to use? Heat which is there in the, you can say, inner part of the earth, or you can say that a coal and all which are inside the earth. Okay, so on the thermal power station also the coal is used to generate the electricity. Now the third form, amorphous form of carbon is coke. You can see now coke. एकदम dark black color छोटे छोटे है. You are observed now charcoal also. How was it? This was charcoal, right? And then this was how the coal was there. Okay, so this is what I have shown to you. You will understand the difference that is coming in front of you. So this is what is the coke. Actually, from the coal only we are getting the coke. What is done? Coal gas has been taken away from coal, then it is called as coke. Okay, then it is called as coke. Now to see about the uses of coke, definitely it is used as a domestic fuel. Moreover, so coke is used as a reducing agent also. Reducing agent matlab it removes the oxygen from the others. Okay, खुद का oxidation हो जाता है but it reduces the other. The last thing, it is used for production of water gas and the producer gas. Now children, you are going to find out today a special homework to you that what is coal gas, water gas and producer gas. The hint is given that coal gas is CO plus H2, water gas is CO plus H2 and the producer gas is CO plus H2 plus CO2 plus N2. See, in multiple choice question they can ask you what is producer gas. So you can say options will be CO plus H2 plus CO2 plus N2, CO plus H2, CO plus N2, H2 plus CO2, like that some options will be there. So you have to remember this can be asked. So and try to find out the uses of it. The things are that all the things are not given to us. So we should try to find out, and I expect the answer from you tomorrow. Huh? More. Now next thing is about the hydrocarbon. The word hydrocarbon suggests there is a hydrogen and there is a carbon, right? What we have observed in most of the organic compound, not just carbon but along with carbon, hydrogen is also there, and that is why we are terming them as a hydrocarbons. So hydrocarbons are the basic organic compounds. Okay, as you all are knowing that carbon is having the electronic configuration 2,4 because atomic number is 6. So 2,4 is the electronic configuration. Valency will see that it is 4. So to complete the octet state and get the nearest inert gas configuration, carbon does the sharing of 4 electrons. It doesn't prefer giving and taking of electrons. Hmm? So these 4 electrons, 1, 2, 3, 4, are sharing some other one electron from other, and then they will try to obtain the electronic configuration as that of the neon. So I'll just give you an example. See here. Here if you will observe, see, here there are 2 electrons, here are 2 electrons, here 2 electrons and here 2 electrons. ये 2 electrons कैसे आए? One is of carbon and one is of hydrogen. Hydrogen is having only one electron ना. So sharing is done with hydrogen. And when there are two electrons are there, that we are showing with one dash, and that is called as the dash formula. Just I'll show it to you. See, this is how the sharing takes place. Okay, here is the one orbit, another orbit. So here's these 2 electrons are in both. I'm talking about this and this. These electrons are in both the circles, right? Okay. So this is important. One this and one this. These 2 electrons can go in any of the orbit, and this is what is meant by the sharing of electrons. So like this, you will get the sharing done by the carbon atom and by thereby forming the covalent bond. So we are going to study some of these type of hydrocarbons